patient is a 58-year-old male admitted to acute inpatient rehabilitation with a diagnosis of right basal ganglia intraparenchymal hemorrhage with interventricular and subarachnoid extension with a 2 mm left midline shift.
Come down on that right elbow.
Here, the patient's transfer and bed mobility skills are examined. While rolling to the left, the patient requires moderate assistance for positioning of the left upper extremity to avoid subluxation. He requires maximum cues to assist with managing left upper extremity and to focus on the task. In transferring from supine to sitting, he requires minimal assistance at the left lower extremity and maximum cueing to manage the left upper extremity. The patient is fearful during these transitions and requires verbal reassurance that he will not fall.
Nope, you can't hold me. You gotta help me.
When transferring from the wheelchair to the mat, he has difficulty focusing and continually asks for a handle or something to pull on.
1, 2. That's it. Good.
Did we do it?
You did it.
He requires maximum cueing to maintain focus.
Vinny, come on.
What?
We're not done. You gotta sit up.
I'm done.
No, sit up. You straighten yourself out first. Look, you're halfway over.
I need to lay down.
He assists with bringing his weight forward, but requires moderate assistance at the trunk to assist in effectively translating body mass horizontally.
Great, help me.
He returns from the mat to the wheelchair with minimal assistance at the trunk.
You want to count for me?
Note his ability to shift weight forward and to the right while pushing with the right upper extremity to assist moving the buttock to the left.
Yep, one more time. 1.
To my left?
To your left.
Am I in the chair?
You're in the chair. We just want to scoot over
I'm
one more
safe.
time.
I'm safe. I can't fall.
You're not going to fall. Let's do it one more time.
Am
Okay?
I safe right now?
Yes, you are.
He requires maximal verbal cueing for reassurance and to remain focused on the task.
1,